In this video, I am going to show you how to import a fixed length file into Excel.
Let's try importing a fixed width file. Click the File tab at the top, Open. Change the file type to All Files if it's not already. And then let's try importing students.txt. Excel will analyze the file and attempt to determine its format. If this were a comma-separated file, it might choose delimited, but in this case, it thinks that it's a fixed length file with fixed width records, meaning that the values within a particular field are padded with spaces so that each record is the same length. We click Next, and Excel attempts to determine where the breaks are between the fields. In this case, it was wrong, and so we need to remove them. You just double click the lines and they go away, and then single click to put the lines back in where the fields actually break. Then we click Next, and Excel will attempt to analyze the fields and determine what type of data is stored in each. General is typically okay, but the date of birth field we might want to import as a date field so that Excel will read it in correctly. Bear in mind, month, day, year is the format of the dates that are in this data set, but if for some reason we had another format such as day, month, year, just choose the drop-down box and change the order. Click Finish, and Excel imports your data.